So let's do some work in the tinyscript.js file. Now, what you see here is a comment, and the comment on my editor shows up as green. And this is a block comment. So in JavaScript, there's two kinds of comments that you can use. There's the slash asterisk as the opening tag, and then asterisk slash is the closing. And it allows you to have multiple lines in there in the comment, or you can put it around a single word or two. But that's the block comment. The other type of comment is the slash slash, and that goes to the end of line. And it can be, right, you can put it at the beginning and it'll do the whole line. But now when I start on the next line, it's not part of the comment. It only goes till the end of line. And I can put a command here and then put the comment after, and it will just begin at the slash slash and go till the end of the line, right? It won't go down to the next line. So those are the two kinds of comments that are available in JavaScript. Now let's write a command in an actual JavaScript command. So the first one we're going to do is an alert function. So we're going to call the alert function. We're going to do that. We're going to use window. And this is the window object, and it refers to a browser window. So a single browser window. We'll be working with the browser window that's tiny clock, right? And we do window dot. So we use the object dot method approach, and alert is the method we're going to use. And this method requires one parameter, and that's the string. And we're going to say, welcome to Tulsa. And that's the string that we're going to do. And then we end commands with semicolon. And that's the end of each command, we add a semicolon. So window.alert, welcome to Tulsa. Let's go ahead and save this and see how it goes. There, that's what we get. We get a pop-up window. And notice what this pop-up window has. It has the words "this page says," and then it has, and that might be different based on how each browser does it. So you might see it different on a different kind of browser. And then it has that string that we sent as an argument, right? We said, welcome to Tulsa. And that's what shows up there. And then it has an OK button. And when that OK button is clicked, it closes the pop-up window. And that's what we get from an alert message. Now, notice that JavaScript is case sensitive. So if I go ahead and change that to an uppercase A, it doesn't work. So notice nothing, it doesn't blow up. It just doesn't work. So you don't see that JavaScript happening at all. So be careful, it's case sensitive. Now just a note about the semicolon, if you leave, JavaScript is not like some other languages. Some other languages, if you leave off the semicolon, you get errors. JavaScript is not that way. If you don't use the semicolon, then it'll be automatically inserted for you. The only time you really need it is if you have two different commands on a single line. But otherwise, it's actually optional. And we'll be using them, but it's up to you whether you do or not.